When Hulk Hogan sued Gawker for publishing a sex tape, people already thought the circumstances were crazy, but no one knew how much crazier this story would get. Earlier this year, Hogan won a $140 million judgment against the company, which a jury had ruled had violated his privacy. Following that ruling, Gawker declared bankruptcy after Forbes had revealed that billionaire venture capitalist Peter Thiel had been secretly funding the lawsuit against Gawker. So, how did all this happen? Here are the most important events from a case involving Gawker, Hulk Hogan, and Peter Thiel. On October 4th, 2012, Gawker publishes a video showing Hogan, whose real name is Terry Bollea, having sex with his friend's wife. After Hogan's lawyer asked Gawker to remove the video, a request that was denied, Hogan sues the New York-based media company in his home state of Florida. Fast forward to January 2016. Gawker reportedly opens up talks with Russian billionaire Viktor Vekselberg and his Columbus Nova technology partners. A deal to sell a minority stake in Gawker closes later in the year, marking the first time the company has taken outside investment. Gawker later says the money was raised to help defend itself against ongoing litigation. On March 7th, Hogan's case against Gawker begins in a state court in St. Petersburg, Florida. Hogan testifies that Gawker's publishing of the video, quote, turned my world upside down. On March 18th, a Florida jury awards Hulk Hogan with a $150 million judgment, more than the $100 million he had originally asked for. That amount was later bolstered by an additional $25 million for punitive damages. On May 24th, Forbes breaks the news that Facebook investor and board member Peter Thiel had been secretly funding Hogan's lawsuits against Gawker. Thiel had been the subject of earlier, unflattering stories from Gawker, including a 2007 piece that discussed Thiel being gay. Thiel declines to comment to Forbes, but admits his role in the litigation financing in later interviews. Finally, on June 10th, Gawker files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection after a judge denies a motion to stay the verdict in the case, making the company liable to start paying the $140 million amount to Hogan. Gawker is currently working on an appeal and is also looking to sell itself to the highest bidder. Forbes also reported that the company is looking to possibly sue Peter Thiel. Following the bankruptcy filing, Gawker founder Nick Denton tweeted that, quote, Thiel will not silence our writers. Our sites will thrive under new ownership and will win in court.